how to make a microwave pancake. Get away from pancakes! Well, put it on the plate.
Did you ask Bob if he wants some?
Yes, I did. Insert in microwave. Close microwave. And so, oh yeah, time. 150 says 110 to 1 and 1 minute to 110, but I'm it says 1 to 110, but I live on the edge. I mean, burnt waffles would be a tragedy in my way. They're pancakes, not waffles. Correct me here. They're from my tacos. Insert the rest back in box. Don't let dog get. Put back in storage device. It should be a freezer. If you let it get too hot, it'll just be bleh. No, actually, it would just cook itself. So go ahead. One too late. Oops. Oh. The scissors that you use to cut it open. Back. Never play with these. I'll never play with these. Throw it to a bottle. Cut down. You can't eat that. Plastic. Alright, now 48 seconds to go before my things are ready. Let's stand here and talk about stupid stuff. Try to get them apple bombs, boots with her. You're a reason that part.
Are you guys getting on the computer?
Yeah.
I don't want any more garbage.
Okay.
I did that on the way.
I needed it.
Well, too bad.
I needed it earlier, I meant. Oh yeah! Hold on a minute. That was hot! Timer go off. Open door. Now watch. Depending on the plate, it could be hot. A little napkin. Tear gently because they're perforated edges. Dessert. What's cool for 5 to 10 seconds. Pull out, or unlock in my case. Fridge door. Wait, I have to put all your stuff back in so your stupid dogs don't get your stuff. All this. Tutorial on how to make microwave balls.
Yeah, see, will you just calm down, please?
We're doing a tutorial. We're doing a video. You're in front of thousands of people live. We're going live.
If you want to go out.
We're live in 5, 4. Oh, wait, we already were live. Ha!
Come on, Joe, hurry up, go out a little.
We're in now. I know. Take lid off. Lay on for what? Butter. If you don't have a knife, find one. There's stuff in here clean.
Yeah.
That's good. Nice. Dangerous weapon.
Rod, there's other stuff to do too if you want it.
We're having fun. Mommy, we're having fun.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, wait. Take butter out. Spread butter. Very gently. What was that?
Yeah.
Oh, I think I hit a lever when I put the things back. I didn't mean to, and I didn't know what it did. Very dangerous object. Now it's got butter on it.
Listen, you need to make sure that the shot stays.
Okay, it's buttery dangerous. Get cap off syrup. Whole syrup in hand. About half an inch above Pancake. Drowned in syrup. That's how I Jesse like it. Syrup down. Keep it away from the plate. And dog. Keep a knife right there. Get workout or cutting help. Down it a little bit more because I have 4 here. I need to see through.
Love you, Jess.
Add back on of both butter and
You're not eating them and getting on the computer. I'm telling you that right now.
No, I'm eating them, then getting on the computer.
All right. Well, after you're done eating them, you need to wash your hands before you touch the computer.
Got a minute.
You need to let Toby in.
Remember, sir.
And then put the gate in the door.
Alright. Go on the fridge. Put the syrup back. Oh my god. Oh, this is funny. Get dog food off your foot. Now you're ready to eat. Cut it. Oh my goodness. Cut cake of pan variety. Some of them are cakes of hot variety. Most of them are panned. What the fuck is that? Hold on. Let dog back in. His mom puts him out at 10 o'clock at night. Have best friend watch your freaking waffles. Pancakes. Don't let that dog in. Dog! I said dog, not Josh. No! Not here! Not here! Come here, Toby. Aw, sexy. You wish. Haha. Take your fork. And, oh wait, shit. One second. My dishwasher. My milking cup. My bum. My dog that'll eat my food if you don't watch it. Get. No, get. Computer. Catch. Spin. It was a dog.
Well, I'm gonna tell you something right now.
No.
Jazz, knock it off. Jazz, knock it off.
It was a dog.
Right now.
It was a dog.
All right, now you guys, Jazz, you gotta quiet down. I've got to go to work,
Okay.
and I don't feel that great.
Bad.
You're always so freaking loud and obnoxious, and you started at about 10 o'clock. Now knock it off. Jesse, please.
You're on camera.
I don't give a shit what I'm on.
Oh my god. That was funny. Oh, you should be on video more often. I don't give a shit what I'm on. What? After done pouring milk, put cat back on. Chalk cat best friend. I don't know, I guess you put it back in the fridge.
Oh, no.
Then I stuff my face and you stop videotaping me.